Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and add sources in your OBS Studio. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and launch your OBS Studio as an administrator. Once you've done that, as you can see, you're going to be on this screen. For example, let me just get rid of everything. So this is normally how it looks like when you go ahead and launch it for the very first time. You're going to have this tab on the bottom left called Scenes. What Scenes is basically, take it, for example, a set of a movie studio. So for example, one set could have certain setting, other set could have another setting, right? So for example, a scene of mine could have just a game screen, for example, just this, right? And the second scene could, for example, have something else that I want to show to the viewers. So it's as simple as that. Now, scene is pretty clear to you, I think. Now, inside of scenes is sources. So for example, the display capture, the video capture, for example, the webcam, and everything else is inside of sources. Now, in order for you to go ahead and create a source, you need to know what source you want to create first. For example, it could be a video capture, it could be a display capture, it could be a audio capture, it could also be, for example, images or alerts, right? So in order for you to go ahead and create sources, all you need to do is click on add source down here, and as you can see all the list of things that you can add. So image slideshow, media source, image, game capture, display capture, color source, browser, audio output, audio input, and a lot of this. You can simply go ahead and choose any one you want. For example, let's say I want video capture device and I want to go ahead and create new. There you go. So it's as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.